I'm Charlotte Watts. Welcome to one of a few clips from my yoga sessions within my monthly online membership Calm Club, which is a wealth of nutrition, mindfulness, yoga, movement, resources and self-inquiry, monthly themes through workshops. So I hope you enjoy these practices, a real chance to slow down, to feel yoga as meditation, as a route to embodied awareness, to really feeling what we need, deep listening and responding from the needs of our body rather than constant expectations from the mind. So I hope you enjoy.
Lovely. Come to centre, let the knees drop out to the side. So we've got a long version of like a cobbler pose, but the feet can come apart if we're happy to do so. And we're going to keep the legs rotating outwards here and come to another spine undulation where we exhale back, take a big ball. So hands are apart, elbows open, chin dropping into the chest. And then as we inhale here, we'll reach up. Follow with your own breath. Exhaling back. Inhaling up. Lovely. 3 more. And the next time you exhale, lay your forearms, your bottom arms down onto your lower legs and let your head go. Roll up through the spine. So bringing our legs back in. So we're flexing the feet, little toe side of the foot up to the ceiling. And you can just take your sitting bones out and back. So we can sit up from the fronts of the sitting bones, drawing in the back of the pelvis, and do sit onto something if you need. Lifting up through the front of the spine, press the hands forward. So I have my feet hip width apart, so we've got that breadth still across the lower back, and I'm just matching that width with my hands. And the press in hands and feet then allows us to lift up the back of the pelvis, back of the skull. And breathe, let the shoulders soften. Even though it's strong, we're creating effort to stay. We can find effortlessness through the breath. Release the hands. Going to come onto your bottom facing me and mirror me so that you are bringing your left heel in towards your left thigh, the other foot behind. And lean onto your right, lean onto your left hand. Take the right arm out to the side and place your attention in it. And then keeping our gaze onto that hand, start to rotate the arm all the way around, following that with your eyes so that your neck, shoulders organize themselves with the movement from the belly. So really letting things turn and move from just below the navel and you feel effects of reach. This is a very basic human motion to reach out, to reach towards what we need, what we want to bring closer to us. And reaching out from the belly. Let the arm come all the way open, up onto the lower fingers and reach up through the spine and across the collarbones, dropping shoulder blades down the back. drop down onto this bottom elbow, lengthen the top leg away from the ground so the little toe side of the foot is parallel with the ground. And if it's comfortable for you to do so, coming into a side flank here. And you can see there's a tendency to drop into this bottom shoulder, but press into the elbow on the ground and lift up. So you're lifting up through the collarbones and across the lower back. Lovely. Now release that bottom leg, come all the way down, both elbows onto the ground and drop into a twist here. Head completely dropping. Inhale up through the belly. Turn the feet round to the other side. And dropping onto your right hand onto the ground. Lifting the left, place your attention there. So when you're ready, you take that arm all the way down and round, opening all the way up. Following with your breath. So the softness and the quality of attention from the eyes being led by the quality of the breath. Letting it flow, unfold. And the next time the arms come up, coming onto the bottom fingers and reaching up across the collarbones. All the way down to the very tip of the tailbone up to the crown of the head. Coming onto that bottom elbow, lengthening out top leg. So again, you've got a slight rotation in, not lifting that foot, but rather little toe side parallel to the outside of the mat. Lift up from the elbow and taking yourself over into a side flank if you have the room. Dropping that bottom knee onto the ground, bringing the top arm down and revolving round at the belly to drop into the twist, releasing the head fully. Rising up through the belly. From there, come onto all fours. And just releasing ourselves gently forward and back. So we're going to exhale down the spine towards child pose. Inhale up through the front of the belly. Exhale down the spine at the back. Inhale at the front. To rise yourself up through the front of the spine.